change theme of the whole Canva. Yeah, if you didn't know that, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change theme. So theme as in there are user theme like light theme and dark theme like you have in your phone and stuff. So you can do that in Canva as well. I'm going to show you how in this video. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. You have to go to the top right section on the settings option here. Tap in settings and scroll all the way down. There's option of theme. You can also sync with the system, that is like whether it can be light or dark. So right now it's in dark, so light. So in order to turn it into dark, you can simply tap into dark theme, and there you go. This is how you change your theme from light to dark. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.